Vlog number 1. I just said 1 and held up 2 fingers. Vlog number 1. I am going to get some eyelashes. At some point, I am going to my parents' house, probably when I go and walk my dog, because I like to drive to their city and walk my dog there because it's a little bit less sketchy there. I wouldn't want to take my dog walking necessarily around where I am right now because people be yelling out their windows like, hey, you got a cute ass! And I don't even have a cute ass, so. Up on my window, knock on my door. I'm out here taking my doggie on a date, and there's people everywhere, and she's not used to it, but she's having a good time. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So, I just got news that my brother is gonna propose to his, and I get to record the reactions. I'm gonna tell his kids and send it to her, and then they're going out to dinner, and when he texts me to send it to her, he's gonna go to the bathroom and come out and give her the ring. This video just turned into like something really fucking awesome, and I can't wait, and I'm so happy that I get to do this for my bro. Okay, so you love your daddy, right?
Yeah.
And you love your mommy?
Yeah.
How would you feel if they got married?
Happy.
You'd be so happy? Guess what?
What?
Tonight at dinner, Daddy's gonna propose to Mommy. They're gonna be at dinner and he's gonna open up a ring and say, will you marry me? How do you feel?
Happy.
Are you so happy? Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
How do you feel about your mom and dad getting married? Do you think that'll be good?
Yes.
Yes.
It's exciting, isn't it? Aren't you happy about that? And guess what? Your mom's gonna get a ring.
It's gonna be a big diamond
So you
ring.
get to see her nice new ring, and she's gonna be really happy.
I love her very much. I like Daddy and Mommy. And they're the nice parents forever in the whole earth.
For round 2.
James, I have something to tell you. Mommy and Daddy are gonna get married. How do you feel? He's like, give me food. So that concludes my video for the day. It is 7 p.m. and I am exhausted, and so is Zoe. Congratulations to my brother and his soon-to-be lovely wife, Tasha. So thank you for watching my vlog. This is my first vlog on my new channel, so that's pretty awesome. I hope y'all liked it. See you in the next one.